Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new haul video again. I just filmed like one haul video, but I just quickly wanted to show a few things which I wanted to like change at my place. So I just thought I'm gonna like show you a couple of things, because I mean there are a lot of things that I've started already using it, so I really can't show you that. But there are things which I haven't like used, and I wanted to like change a couple of things. Like you can see the background behind, I have changed like a couple of things. So I just quickly wanted to show you like a couple of things. There are like few things from IKEA, and there are from few things from like Home Center, and I think mostly Home Center, maybe Pan Emirates and IKEA, and that's actually all. So I just quickly wanted to show you like a couple of things. So yeah, today's gonna be a chill laid back video showing you accessories for my home. So if you are new here to my channel, my name is Sharmin. I do makeup related videos, tutorials, reviews, hauls. So if you want to and if you are interested, please do subscribe to my channel, because it really helps me a lot. And I really don't want to say this again and again, but please do subscribe to my channel. And without wasting time, let's get into the video. So firstly, I'm gonna show you a couple of things. I think I have to like change the height of my camera tripod because I'm like way too down. But anyways, firstly I'm gonna show you things from like IKEA. So I wanted like a nice big bowl, fruit bowl. I actually got it from like IKEA. I actually love the one which I wanted from like Home Center, but it was like way too expensive. This was not like that expensive. This was, I think, for like around, I think 70 dirhams or 60 dirhams or 80 dirhams, not more than that. And I actually got this, and I mean it's like huge, too huge. So I wanted to get this from IKEA. Just wanted to add like a few wooden accessories, maybe bowls, something. So I just got this from IKEA. So we actually have that, or maybe I'll show you from like IKEA itself. Then I got this 3 small mini plant sets from IKEA. So these were the 3 sets. I'm not sure, all 3 are like different, and I got like 2 of those, and one is like more of a cactus kind, but I really didn't like that. My hubby actually chose that, but that's like very tiny. But these plants are like really cute, and they were like a set of 3, and they're like mini sizes, and I wanted something for my on the shelves on my bath area. So I got these, and this is also like really pretty. I really don't know, but somehow maybe I'm getting old, but I really want like a lot of greenery in my house everywhere around. So I just got 3 of these. I'm actually like not sure the prices of this, but I'll quickly just see, because the namings on the bill are like weird. Maybe it was like for 15 dirhams or 20 dirhams. I am seriously not sure. I'm really not sure, but I really like these plants a lot, and they were like not expensive, and they're like artificial ones. So I really like these. So I just got this from IKEA, and from IKEA again I got like a lot of plants, because I wanted to like change the shelves. I wanted like to put a lot of plants on it, not real, obviously artificial, but I just quickly wanted to show you. So firstly I got like this plant, and I got like 2 of these, and these are like really nice, and it like I have kept it on the edge of my shelves. Looks really good on the wall hanging. So I just got 2 of these, and you have like a lighter one as well, but it looks like not that good. But this looks like really nice, and it's like really good quality. So I actually got like 2 of these. Then I got this one again, because I want like different plants on my shelves. So again I got this one, and I got like 2 of these, and I usually place this on the center of my shelves. So I got like 2 of these. These are all like really pretty. I got those. I got the third one, and I got this also like 2 of these, and I got like this plant. This is also like really pretty, and I got 2 of these, and it looks like really good on my shelf. Maybe I'll show you a picture later on, or when I start vlogging again, maybe I'll show you the shelf where I've placed it. So I just got like two of these again, and I really don't know the prices because the names and everything on the bill is like weird on the IKEA bill. So we actually have that from IKEA, and I'm not sure whether I have like more things from IKEA. Actually, that is all that I have from IKEA. I have like a couple of more things because I've already started it. I got like a nice wooden chopping board from IKEA, but I've started using it. Maybe I'll put a picture here. That was, I think, for the 9 dirhams. They came like in 2 different sizes, so I got the bigger one. So that is all actually from like IKEA. Now going on to home center, I got like a couple of things. Firstly, I got these jars from home center, and I got the coffee sugar and the tea one. I already have started using it, but it's like really nice. It is not like completely like airtight, but I usually put the sugar, coffee and the tea in a ziploc, and I then put it because it might, I mean, if it catches moisture it might get bad. So I really love this, and I think now they are on offer on home center. I think they are like available for like 15 dirhams each, and so this is how it looks. It's like really nice, and it is a nice good size. I have like coffee and then like sugar, and I have the tea one as well, and then I have the tea one as well. So we actually have that from home center, and then I have like a couple of more things. I got these wooden bowls from home center. They had like a lot of varieties. They have like different trays as well, and the fruit bowl that I wanted, that was like way too expensive, but this was not like too expensive. It was, I'm just quickly gonna tell you the price because I actually have the receipt here. So the jar that I showed you was for 39 dirhams, but now I think they are available for like 15 or 20 dirhams on their app. I'm not sure in store, but now they are on sale. These containers, the tea and the coffee and the one that was for 21 dirhams. I think I told you some different price. These were for 21 dirhams, but now on their app it is for like 15 dirhams. So if you really like those, please grab it because it's like available on their app. I am not sure where is the receipt of this one. I'm not sure, but anyways, if I find the price I'll put obviously here so you have an idea. So I got like these two bowls, maybe to have lunch, dinner, just for fruits, anyways, but I really wanted this because it's like really pretty. So I really got like just 2 of those, not too many, just 2. Then I got like a set of 4 of these bowls. These are like acai bowls, or it's like too small for like acai bowls, but like if you want like put dips in it, dry fruits, anyways, for serving purposes, these are like really pretty, and they were like in different sizes as well and different shapes, but I got like similar ones to the bigger ones, so I got like this. I think I have like one big huge basket from home center. I'll just quickly grab and show you that as well. Then actually I wanted like a big basket for my living room, you know, just to maybe keep in my throws. So I finally got this. I mean it's like huge. This I got it from home center. It is for 85 dirhams. They have a lot of new arrivals in their store as well as on their app. I mean it's better to see in person how it looks. So I got this was for 85 dirhams, and I had like collected a lot of shukran points. If you are from Middle East, you know I had collected like a lot, so I had to pay like just maybe around 4 or 5 dirhams. So I got it like for just 5 dirhams, but this was for 85 dirhams, and it might be on sale now because there is some sale going on again in home center. I really like the one which was in IKEA, but I mean this was much better, and there was a similar one in Pan Emirates as well. Yeah, but I really like this, and it's like huge, and you have, I mean it's like not stiff, but it's like really pretty. So I actually got this from like home center. Now I'm not sure what else do I actually have to like show you. So yeah guys, that is actually all because I have used like a lot of things. I've already opened it and I've already used it, so yeah, I just didn't want to like wait for it. These were the things that I could like really show you. I'll put the links in the description below. If you want, you can see for yourself if you want to buy like anything, and if you like the container, they are like on offer, so you can like just grab those. So anyways guys, this was actually all for today's video. I'll link everything in the description below. If you want, you can check it out because it might be like helpful for you. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.